Welcome to today's SEO lesson. In this video, we will explore keyword clusters, what they are, why they matter, and how they can help you rank for multiple search terms with a single piece of content. A keyword cluster is a group of related search terms that share similar meaning and intent. Instead of focusing on just one keyword, you target a cluster to improve your chances of ranking for multiple queries. For example, if your main keyword is digital marketing, related cluster keywords could be online marketing, internet marketing, digital advertising, and SEO marketing. Google now focuses on topics and search intent rather than just single keywords. Using cluster help your content appear for a wider range of searches and increase organic traffic. Start with one main keyword, then find variations and related terms. Using keyword research tools, group them by similarity and search intent. You can use tools like Ahref, SEMrush, Ubersuggest, and Google Keyword Planner to generate and group keyword ideas. Place your main keyword in the title and H1 and use related cluster keywords in subheading and throughout the content naturally. Even when using clusters, avoid overusing keywords. Keep the flow natural and prioritize user experience over keyword density. Keyword clusters improve your chances of ranking for long-tail searches, increase organic traffic, and enhance topical authority in Google's eyes. Your blog could have one main topic, supported by subtopics, each targeting a related keyword in the cluster, making your content more comprehensive. Now that you know what keyword clusters are, how to use them, start grouping your keywords to improve rankings. Like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel for more SEO tips.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.